Hello everyone, and welcome to a makeup tutorial of mine. Today I'm showing you how to do Princess Zelda from The Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time. I got a comment on TikTok, someone asking me to do a makeup tutorial, and here we are with here I am with a clean face with foundation already on. And I'm going to start with using a cream contour stick from Kiko Milano in the shade Hazelnut. And I'm going to contour my nose to get that slender and defined look for my nose. And also, while I was doing my foundation, I put concealer on my eyebrows. Anyway, so I'm using my fingers to blend out the contour. And I'm blending it out until it's perfect. You could also use a beauty blender to help blend it out even more, which is something I do. Anyway, if you're wondering why my eyebrows look like this, I saw some makeup videos on how to make eyebrows look blonde. So what I did was I put concealer on my eyebrows. So now is time for the eye makeup. Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette. I'm taking the shade, come on, what's it called? Real Gar. And in my outer corner, I'm putting in the shade Red Oak Tree, which is like a darker, warm, reddish brown. And I'm taking that previous brush and blending everything out with a very light hand. I'm being very gentle with the brush. I mean, I'm using a very light hand. Now for the pink eyes, this is When Wild eyeshadow palette I bought at my local CVS. And all I'm doing is just putting that on my fingers, pressing it with my fingers, and using my finger as an eyeshadow applicator. And I'm also using this clear, sparkly eyeshadow that I'm very gently putting on top of the light pink. So, now I'm using, my Anastasia Beverly Hills, whatever, it doesn't matter. So, I'm using black eyeshadow with a paddle brush. And I'm going under my eyes first to make that winged eyeliner. I'm kind of faking it with the black eyeshadow. And then as I go, I'm kind of like, how do I say it? I'm kind of caking it on, but not really. I'm just blending it into, yeah, that's the word I'm looking for. I'm blending it into my outer corner of my eye. And I am using liquid eyeliner from L'Oreal Paris. And since I have hooded eyes, I'm going to do a very thin line. Nothing too dramatic, so you can still see my eyelid space. Then I'm putting white eyeliner in my waterline, so I have big eyes like her. And I'm taking this gold eyeshadow and putting it from my inner corners and dragging it to the start of the black under my eye. Curl your eyelashes. And put mascara on your top and bottom lashes. I'm using the Better Than Sex mascara. For my blush, I'm using this peach color from Wet n Wild, and I'm mildly putting it on, so it's not too much. So I'm smiling and putting it on the apples of my cheeks, and I'm doing it very lightly because I didn't have a mirror to use it with, a correct mirror anyway. So I was like playing it safe, so I wasn't overdoing the blush. Now that my makeup is nearly done, it's time to put on my tiara I got on Etsy. And the very last thing to do, obviously, is lipstick. I chose this shade. Well, I'll explain why. I got this lipstick on Amazon. I don't know what brand it is, but it is the shade 22, and it's like this peach nude brown. So I'm gonna use that because that's her lipstick color in the game, in the 3DS remake anyway. And that is how I do my Princess Zelda makeup from The Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time. Now, if you're watching this on YouTube, I'm going to say like, comment, share, and subscribe.